Now let us consider the second case, that means moment of a force with respect to some axis, right? That means with respect to some line, right? So what actually you are trying to say? Again, the same figure almost. P there is a fixed point O, okay? And with respect to it, you are considering the position vector of the point of application of a force F. Okay, so this is your R, that means your R, and force is this F, PF vector, whatever you can say F. Now there is some line given. So this is your line L, unit vector along the line L, or whatever, if you just say this magnitude S, then SL. Then what we need to find out, we need to find out the moment of the force with respect to this line. Say I capitalize L, I use to denote this line or axis. Then the moment of F with acting at P with respect to line L, line L. How do we find it out? This is nothing but the projection of whatever moment you have got with respect to O. Because you see here, it is this point, this line is passing to the point with respect to which we have already measured the moment. Then to find out this particular moment, what we need to find out, we need to do, if this is, as I said, this is the vector R cross. We have seen earlier in our vector classes how actually this is given by, that means I am using it right now, but I'm not going to explain it again, how we are getting this moment of with respect to this line as this dot product. We are just simply using it, or like just capping it, so as to get this L dot R cross F. That means from here, if L has the three components, L1, L2, and L3, you can easily understand this one R cross F will give you simply whatever we have got above this one. You just need to multiply this one L1 this, along with this L2 along with this L3. And one thing you note down, see, this is what, this is a scalar quantity. That means L1 into YFZ minus ZFY will be your first component, plus L first component, no, my mistake. This plus this, because there is no component right now, it's a scalar, then we come whenever we are taking dot product, plus L3 XFY minus YFY. So this is actually your moment of the force with respect to the line given.